Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Tono here and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I will show you how to download and set up PPSSPP, a PlayStation portable emulator on your MacBooks, Pro or normal MacBooks, with the silicon processors, so the M series of processors. It is pretty straightforward, just double click in the first link you will find in the description of this video and you will be redirected to the official page to download the emulator. And when you are in this page, just simply click on download, go to the macOS section, click on the second button and then decide where you want to download the file. In this case, I will put it inside downloads folder. When it's done, you will see it here in the top right corner. I'm using Google Chrome to do this, but you can also use Safari. It's pretty much the same thing. You will have the file that you have to double click on it. Whenever you double click it, it's gonna asking you to move the application in the application folder. So you do this and you're pretty much good to go. You can close. Then you can search for application, and then when you are done with dragging the application inside the application folder, just go into application and you will see the application popping up here. Double click on it, you will receive this pop-up, just click on open again and you are more than good to go and the emulator is working. It is pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Of course, I cannot show you where to get the PSP games, but either you download them online or you rip them out of original UMD discs that you are the owner of, so it's up to you guys. But as always, internet is your friend and even my Discord server is your friend, so maybe I would suggest you to check it out, but it's up to you guys. Anyway, I would recommend you to create a folder in which you put all the PSP games so that you can find them pretty easily. I've done it, so now I can search for them and load them inside the emulator. So as you can see guys, the emulator is showing the folder that we have in our MacBook, and in this case I'm going to go to download, for example. I will give the full access, and then as you can see, the file are getting recovered, but in this case I need to go to desktop, click on allow, and then I will go in the folder I've created, and for example I want to load these games, install game from the file, yes. Another tip guys is always remember to extract the file of the games so that it's more likely that the emulator will read the files without any problem. But then now we can search for the folder in which you have put the games in. So for example, in my case, it's desktop, it's PSP games, and as you can see guys, I have them. As soon as you have extracted the games and you have checked the folder in which you have them inside the emulator, the games will appear here and you are pretty much good to go to play them. If you double click on them, they will start. You click on the game and it's pretty much good to go. And as you can see guys, whenever you're gonna play the games, they will be in recent, so it's even easier to retrieve them afterwards. So after you have extracted the game and you have imported inside the emulator, you have to go here in settings, in the graphics tab, and then select the second voice and put it in 4x native resolution, so 180p, because by default the quality of the PSP is pretty low graphics wise, and then you are pretty much good to go. You can just tick or untick full screen or VSync, but it's up to you. Replacing textures, it depends if you want to download the texture online and then apply them to the game, but pretty much all the other options, leave them as they are. Another thing you can do, I would suggest you to do as soon as possible, is the control mapping, and in this case you will simply have the settings for actually set up your controller, and then in this moment connect your controller via Bluetooth or via cable. You can use either a PlayStation or Xbox controller. In this case I'm going to use my Xbox One controller, and I will show you that after the Bluetooth connection with the MacBook you can set it up inside the emulator as well, so that you can play the games with your controller. As you can see guys, I pair my Xbox wireless controller, and then I can go in settings, I can go in controls, I can go in control mapping, and then auto configure for your device option. And the emulator has recognized my Xbox Series X controller, so I double click on it and I'm pretty much good to go and I can play the game, ready to be played. As you see guys, I'm moving everything with my controller. New data, city streets, and there you go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, but if you have any doubts, any questions, just feel free to write them down in the comment section below. And from Tono was everything. Remember to leave a like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you directly in my next video.